whatever.
Whatever.
Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing something a little different.
Wow.
This is my first time doing a vlog, so I'm bringing you guys with me. I'm going to a TikTok shop event, the Next Wave event. This is actually my third event that I got invited to from the TikTok shop because I am a TikTok shop creator that does really well. So I'm bringing you guys, my subscribers, with me today, and we are about to get ready. So this gonna be like a get ready with me / TikTok shop event. It's my first time doing it, you guys. So if you like it, like, comment, subscribe to your girl. Hit that bell notification so you know every time I post, of course. And let's get straight into this day.
I got the game tatted on me, that's forever. Gang. Wanna know my moves and all my spots, but I move clever. Move. Wanna know my stash, how much I got, but I ain't gon' tell them. Push it, running through it, get that bag, come on. Titanic yacht, big enough for all my niggas to jump on. I know she came with you, but she looking for me to go home. Roll it discontinued like the drink I used to sip on. And that's act, nigga. Not walk. Not quaking. Not red. Don't let that bro bitch in, cause she too messy. Who the fuck them bro boys with? Get out my section. Get out my section. Just pull the muscle. God damn, too much flexing. Damn. Caught them in traffic on the accident we pressing.
That AHA BHA body wash cleanser really cleared up my acne on my chest and my back. Like, it is so good, and I've been using it for like about a month now. So if you want it, it will be linked down in the description. But let's go into our makeup now. I need my eyebrows done so bad. I just be so lazy. Girl, get up and go get them brows done. But I go to a certain like brow lady, so you gotta like book an appointment. And she's kind of hard, but she's the only person. Ooh, that look bad. That's real bad. But she's the only person who, I don't do my eyebrows like this. I'm really in a rush. I should do a makeup tutorial, because don't try to play me. But she's the only person that I go to. So, but that's not the point of the video. And today we are worried about this event. That's it, and that's all. I'm gonna make sign shake though. I'll make sign shake. Ooh, they're all gonna laugh at you. They're all gonna laugh at you. Whatever.
Nobody's gonna know. They're gonna know.
Who the fuck them bro boys with? Get out my section. Get out my section. Just pull the muscle. God damn, too much flexing. Damn. Caught them in traffic on the accident we pressing. Got them. Smoking Zaza every second, I be stressing. If you ain't tryna beat them, fuck it, won't you stretch them? Do that. They wipe their nose for that tissue, God bless them. Wipe it. I dropped the 4 perp, I call that shit Chris Webber. Drink. I know you niggas wanna be me, but it's levels, bitch. I got the game tatted on me, that's forever. Gang. Wanna know my moves and all my spots, but I move clever. Move. Wanna know my stash, how much I got, but I ain't gon' tell.
That is not my makeup routine, I promise. But I'm in a rush. I gotta be out of here in 40 minutes. I should have been up an hour before I woke up, but your girl was knocked out. I was so yeah, that I just did a little quick little 1-2. They'll never know. Still pretty.
Still pretty. On my mama, on my daddy, bitch.
Too messy. Who the fuck them bro boys with? Get out my section. Get out my section. Just pull the muscle. God damn, too much flexing. Damn. Caught them in traffic on the accident we pressing. Got them. Smoking Zaza every second, I be stressing. If you ain't tryna beat them.
Okay, so the event is in DC. I'm waiting on the train right now. My cousin is going to pick me up from the Okay, the event is in VA, but my cousin lives in Washington, D.C., so I'm gonna get on the train to Washington, and then he's gonna pick me up and take me to the event in VA. So I'm just sitting here waiting. My train comes in like 10 minutes, so just sitting here. There's people outside. That's actually my gate right there, and you can see that people are going outside, but I'm cold. I'm anemic. I hate being cold, so I'm gonna wait until that train is literally downstairs. The train gonna be waiting on me.
This bitch got past secured, I'm like, who let her Don't let that bro bitch in, cause she too messy. Who the fuck them bro boys with?
Don't piss me off!
Restaurants where you can get food. They have coffee candies. They have a pizza shop. But I want a matcha. But I don't want it from Starbucks. Like, I've never had a Starbucks matcha. The only matcha that I drink is from Dunkin' Donuts. So, like, there's Dunkin'.
When you're debating on who you keep,
This is Starbucks. But I don't want that. I want Dunkin'. Got a McDonald's. So yeah, now I just wait for my cousin to pick me up, and then I'll be on. They bougie in here. They got it upstairs. Let me see if Dunkin' is upstairs. I'm just here exploring these people. Train station. Oh, you could go shopping. They had a Raising Cane, McDonald's, Starbucks. It's a bougie airport. Everything is closed though. Look. Everyone is downstairs, honestly. Because that's where everything is. But me, I'm upstairs. Being nosy. Doing what I want. Doing what I do. What's this, y'all? What's this? That ain't Dunkin'. Oh, this is a bougie train station. Oh my God, they got a Walgreens downstairs. Let me go down there and be nosy and see if it's Dunkin' down there. I'm on all floors. Guys, this is my first vlog. What's good? What's tea? What's going on in your life? They got a brow lounge. They got a bar. Oh, should I get a little drinky drink? Look. No, like if they got Starbucks, then they probably won't have Dunkin'. This is my first time like walking around too with my camera and recording, because normally I'm shy to do that, but for y'all, for the gang, I'm doing it. I don't care what nobody say. And look, if you shy to do it, ain't nobody paying me no attention. My phone like this, and ain't nobody paying me no attention. So if you're shy and you're nervous to have your phone out and just talk to the camera, girl, just do that shit. Just do it. You feel me? Because that's what a bag is, being a content creator. So Walgreens, Jersey Mike's. Ooh, I found Dunkin' Donuts. I'm so excited. I got my matcha.
Y'all always saying body tea, body tea, body tea. How about body matcha? I never hear you bitches say body matcha, body matcha. Body
Yummy. I had to walk all around this train station to find it, but we're here, so let's be grateful. Where my cousin at? You need to hurry up. The queen don't like waiting. The queen don't want to wait. Yeah. So you guys, my cousin has come to pick me up. Say hi. He just came back from Europe. Super fun. I'm so jealous, but I'm on my way to the event. It starts at 1, but they said check-in is at 12:30, and it's only 12, so I'm early, but I'm on my way. I'll touch back once I get there. So I'm here, but it's a little early, so they have us waiting in like this waiting area. They got super cute views. They have a view of the capital. All the way over there. And the White House. So that's fun. I'm just waiting to get started. I took a couple of videos already, some pictures. So yeah, and I went to the bathroom and freshened up a little. I will see you guys in a few.
Who the fuck them broke boys with? Get out my section, get out my section. Just pull the muscle, god damn, too much flex. Damn, caught them in traffic on the accident, we pressin'. Got them, smoking Zaza every second, I be stressing. If you ain't tryna beat them, fuck it, won't you stretch them? Do that, they wipe their nose for that tissue, God bless them, wipe it. I dropped the 4.
Super cute, everyone is getting their content. But I was here early, so I already took my videos and now I'm just sitting here waiting. But it's so cute. I love when I'm in a room with other creators and I get to network. It's really fun meeting other creators. So
your content strategy should highlight your personal brand, as I mentioned, and really look for quality content that is going to sell. That's the big piece of TikTok, and that's what's going to drive sales, is consistency and quality content.
Hi guys, it's so exciting to be here and to be in Washington, D.C. This is the first time that we've done an event here in D.C. and I'm really excited. You guys have some really good energy.
My vertical would be mostly tech and gaming. I mean, that's what I do. Been doing this since 2023 of July 6th, and I'm currently at $20 million in GMV. Woo! And I will say that I don't pick a lot of my products, my wife does, so I just want to give her all the credit. She picks all the stuff, so she's the one who makes the money. I'm just doing the content, so I'm just being
here in my goodie bag. So pretty. But I definitely had a great day, honestly. The event wasn't a long one. It was from 1 to 4. So when we first got here, they gave everyone their food. And then we sat and just listened to some of the brands speak. And then we listened to some of the top creators talk and just answer some questions that people had. And then we got our free sample, so now we can create. So cute, super excited. I cannot wait to post this video, my first vlog. I met a ton of other creators and got their numbers, but I showed you guys earlier. But if you look, that's the White House in the Capitol right there. The girls did not come to play. Look how empty all of the stands are. Wow. So that's the end of the event. I'm back at the train station waiting for my train. Then I'm going home and I'm going to sleep. Your girl is sleepy. I've been up all day. But I'm just here. I got me a Jersey Mike sandwich. I like the Jersey Shore favorite. The Jersey Mike favorite? I think it's called the Jersey Mike favorite. But that's what I always get when I go to Jersey Mike's. But you guys, I got my goodies. But that's the end of this vlog. So I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Who the fuck them broke boys with? Get out my section, get out my section. Just pull the muscle, god damn, too much flex. Damn, caught them in traffic on the accident, we pressing. Got them, smoking Zaza every second, I be stressing. If you ain't tryna beat them, fuck it, won't you stretch them? Do that, they wipe their nose for that tissue, God bless them. Wipe it, I dropped the 4 perp, I call that shit Chris Webber, drink.